know what floor it's on? Top one, okay. Oh wow, look at the view. It's on this side? Oh, I can't believe this thing is still here. Been here a while already. I did an event over here once, so. Yes. I got Dog the Bounty Hunter here and that. Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I'll let you out here.
Yeah. open till 7.
Yeah, it's still fine.
There's 7 sites of contemporary art in Honolulu that the Hawaii Contemporary Organization has put together with the help of all of our public serving institutions in Honolulu. We've invited all of these international artists that work in the Pacific-facing part of the globe. And this is the map of all of our contemporary art sites. You're at number 1 in Waikiki, which actually has a really special context to the curation of this show. We have a kind of mo'olelo or story here for you to acquaint yourself with contemporary culture in Waikiki.
Okay.
And then it goes on to describe the works and biographies of the artists that are showing here at Royal Hawaiian.
Okay.
So this is your free guide, and you can take it around
Oh, thank you.
Honolulu to all of these institutions and help yourself to more information about the show.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
All of the sites are titled E Ho'omau no Honolulu Akea, and then we have the Hawaii State Art Museum exhibitions staying open a little later than May 8th, so you'll be able to visit then. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for the info.
Of course.
Hi.
Hi,
Oh.
it's I from
The Japanese.
guys wanted to review what you've seen in the last years. This is the 2019
Was that the last time we had it? Yeah. Oh yeah, because every 3 years, yeah.
Wow, it used to be biennial, right? Now it's triennial.
Now it's triennial.
Thank
We
you.
have to go visit the other spots to see the other works.
I would definitely try to make it to the Bishop Museum.
Oh yeah, the Bishop Museum one. Okay.
Amazing and beautiful. And then Hawaii State Art Museum, also amazing and beautiful, but very educational. If you go to Hawaii State Art Museum, this is a QR code that connects you to my show that's there.
Okay.
It's not, it's in parallel to the Triennial, so I haven't been curated into their exhibit, but we are also at Hawaii State Art Museum in the space that was managed by the Friends of High Sound.
Okay.
So this QR code will take you to the artists and collective that I'm showing with at High Sound. Yeah, good. Yeah, so there's a video up here, and that's the video that plays at High Sound. And then this was all collaborative work. So as we continued to like materialize an installation and edit all of the performances that we did, we actually were all in Honolulu at the same time and started collaborating again on a new film that's called Po'ele Wai. Because we're responding to the Red Hill fuel crisis, pollution of our water system.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'll take a look at it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
See you next time.
Bye.